Now we'll discuss about the kinds of ownership as provided under the law of ownership. So, among these, the first category of ownership are vested and contingent ownership. So, Section 19 of the Transfer of Property Act provides vested interest, and while contingent interest is a conditional interest, and that conditional interest would, on fulfillment of some event or condition, the ownership would be achieved. So, Section 21, Section 26, and Section 29 of the Transfer of Property Act provided about contingent ownership. And in that difference in between these two, we would like to discuss a leading case, and that is Sashi Kant versus Pramod Chandra, and it was decided by the Calcutta High Court in 1932, and as it was decided by the Calcutta High Court, it pointed out that an estate or interest vested either when the enjoyment of it is presently conferred or an immediate right of present enjoyment, whereas the contingent ownership is right of enjoyment is made to depend upon some event or condition which may or may not happen. So the right is uncertain. And this was the decision of the Calcutta High Court regarding vested and contingent ownership. And now we'll go to the second category, and that is sole and co-ownership. And regarding that, under English law, co-ownership is divided into joint tenancy and tenancy in common. In joint tenancy, the interest in property is considered as a single unit and the right of survivorship. But when one of the joint tenants disposes of his interest in the property, it is converted into tenancy in common. Here is joint possession, and on the death of a tenant in common, his share goes to his legal representative. In India, it is found under Mitakshara Hindu law and also in partnership form under Partnership Act 1932. Sole ownership provides exclusive right to enjoy, use, disposal of the property of one's, excluding the rights of others. It is a vested interest with the single owner. So these two categories as vested and contingent ownership and also sole and co-ownership are discussed in this video, and our next two categories we will discuss in the upcoming video.